Welcome dear children. Today we are starting the lesson staffing. Today we are going to learn about meaning and steps in the process of staffing. Staffing is one of the important function of management. It may be defined as the process of hiring and developing the required personnel to fill various positions in the organization. It involves estimating the number and type of personnel required, recruiting and selecting them, and maintaining and improving their competence and performance. Staffing is concerned with ensuring that the organization has the right number of people and the right kind of people at the right places at the right time, and that they are doing the right things. Next, let us see steps in the process of staffing. Staffing process consists of various interrelated activities such as planning human resources requirement, recruitment, selection, training and development, remuneration, and so on. All the activities together make the staffing process. Therefore, these are called elements or steps in the process of staffing. The main steps involved in the process of staffing are human resource planning, recruitment, selection, placement, orientation, training and development. Let us discuss these steps in detail. First one, human resource planning. The first step involved in staffing is to plan the manpower required by an organization. It involves forecasting and determining the number and kind of manpower required by an organization in future. The manpower needs of an organization are estimated keeping in view its present activities and future plans such as production schedules, demand forecast, market trends, etc. Its purpose is to obtain the right number of qualified people at the right time. The second step involved in staffing is recruitment. It means identifying the sources of required personnel and inducing people to apply for the jobs in the organization. Recruitment of staff can be within the organization as well as from the outside. After recruitment, the next step involved in staffing is selection. Selection is the process of choosing and appointing the right candidates for various job positions in the organization. Several steps are involved in the process of employee selection. These steps include preliminary screening, filling in application, written test, interview, medical examination, etc. After selecting the candidates, the next step involved in staffing is placement. It implies putting the selected candidates on right jobs. An appropriate job is assigned to each selected person. So it is the process of matching the candidates with the jobs in the organization. Under this process, every selected candidate is assigned a job most suitable for him. After putting the right candidates on the right job, the next step involved in staffing is orientation. Orientation is the process of introducing and familiarizing newly appointed candidates with their jobs, work groups, and the organization, so that they may feel at home in the new environment. It is the process of socialization. The main objectives of an orientation program are to build up the new employee's confidence in himself and to give the necessary information to the employees about the location of work, rooms, canteen and other facilities, etc., and to develop a feeling of belonging and loyalty to the organization. After orientation program, the next step involved in staffing is training and development. This involves improving job knowledge, skill and attitude of employees on a regular basis so that they may perform their jobs efficiently.